Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are going to make a
house.
yes.
Okay, so it will be a very simple but easy to make house, and you can use this in your projects. If your school project you need to make a house, you can make like this and stick it in your project book.
Yes. Now we don't need this, but we'll use it in last.
So we'll just keep it aside for now. And as usual, what we do?
First we
We need squares.
yes.
Okay, so we are making with different colors here. Let's see which one looks nice. You might find some papers which are different colors on both the sides. That will be interesting actually.
Yes.
But for us, we have got the same color both the sides.
See?
Okay, the pointers. Three things.
Pointers,
The points.
the points,
The crease.
the crease, and the
And what? And what? Square.
yeah.
Origami loves squares. And we have
Like
to-
almost all origami has square.
So we have to make sure that
Except for plain. Plain is not square.
yeah, there are a few we can use.
Without square.
Yes, but generally it's everything square. So what we are doing here, we are making a big triangle so that we can make a square just like this. From here you can see. I just put it here and I'm just pulling it out. And once it is done, I'll make them crease like this with my nail.
The crease. And now again we
Or
have
if you don't want to use your nail, you can use it like this. It's just blend it, flip it over
now let's do
here. Again, one more time, I'm gonna do.
if you want you can use scissors also.
Yes, whatever, it is here. But ask some parent or adult to use the scissors for you. Don't use it yourselves.
Yes. We are doing it with hand.
So we are not using any scissors. I'll just make a mark here quickly.
So our hand doesn't get cut.
Yes.
Now I made it. Now this part we can remove it. We don't need it.
So I'm also done, almost, and it's done.
And then my square.
Okay, I'll take this aside. We don't need it. And here we go. We've got a big, perfect square. Okay,
Now what?
we're gonna make it half. Fold it half.
Half. Half. Yay, I love half.
Yes,
That's
Just-
sometimes my voice.
yes. Every time, make sure pointers,
Yup.
pointer,
Pointer. Even in planes you do pointers. Wow.
everywhere. It gives you perfection. That's the
And perfection is the best.
yes, it should be perfect. Okay, so we've got half here. You can see properly both the sides.
Whee!
We're gonna make it half as if you're making a small square again.
Square.
Yes, let's see.
Let's see who does it first.
Yeah, but just make sure that you got all the points correct.
Done.
This is we're making the crease, so just fold it
Yeah, crease and then you can open it again.
and what we're gonna do is one more half till here.
Both sides.
Till the crease, yes, both the sides, yes, that's what we're gonna do.
Papa, in origami I think everything needs to be equal also.
Yes, basically they love symmetry, but sometimes if the things is not, what we are making is not symmetrical, so you'll have to do others in different sides, but generally we try to follow the symmetry.
Everything is symmetric.
Yes.
See, one side I've done, now we cannot just do everything. I need to do other side, otherwise it's not symmetric.
So I've done it from both the sides. it looks like this, and on the back side it looks like a square. Here it's like this.
Let me just do it. Yeah, let's go, dude. Yep. And I'm done in the bun. I'm done in the bun.
Oh, what's that? Okay.
I'm done baking the bun. That's rhyming.
Okay, so
I'm
we've
done
done like
baking.
this, you see?
Papa, that's rhyming. I'm done baking
When
the
you
bun.
see here, these are openings. Some. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'll take one.
It's a door.
I'll just put my finger here and press it down. See, like here, I can see, and I will press it down. You can see this
From the
crease.
closed side.
And let's see.
From the closed side, not
Yes,
from
correct.
the open
So
one.
it should come, this line should go align with this. It will look like this.
Both sides, otherwise it's not symmetric. Again.
Correct. This side is like this. We're gonna do the other side also, same.
Did
So
I,
easy. We just
did
push
I
it
do
here.
good? We're so close, I feel.
Yeah.
Oh, now we need to do the drawing. That's all.
Actually,
Now, do we
Alright.
have some steps missing?
not really. What will happen if you had a two color paper, one side different and one side different? So this portion will look as a different color, and the other portion will look as different color. So what we're gonna do here, we will draw something. Basically, our house shape is ready. So we will draw the windows that will give us more impression, and that will show how our house will look. I'm going to use a scale. So let's do it. Let's make the boundary first. I'm going to make long boundary connecting all of those. See, let's say from here like this, and I will extend it till that side like this, and I will make one more just to give a nice little design. And here we go, we are almost there.
I did one.
Okay, I'm doing another one already.
I did one window, now I have to make the inside of it.
Okay, so it looks like this. Now you can use a scale to draw a window, or you can just straight away draw. So I will just straight away draw. You can use a scale also. So what we're gonna do here is a square. Like this. And 4 different squares inside.
No, I'm just drawing like this.
It's fine, it's absolutely fine. You can use your way in order to make it symmetrical. I'm doing like this. Square, square, square. Square, square, square. And we love squares, right?
Yup. Origami loves
So?
it loves square.
This is one. I will make it all the sides here.
Just give us
Here
a
and
minute.
here.
Just give us a minute.
You can also draw along with us.
Yes.
Or let's see if I can do it with scale this time. What I will do is, let's make it from here till, say, approximate this much, and the same line approximate this much.
Am I doing good?
Yes, you're doing good. You're much faster than me.
Because I'm not using that much time.
Yeah, I think I will draw with hand. It gives me more idea where
And
my
this
window
is
is
less
going.
time.
It's fine if it is not perfect square also. It can be little rectangular as well.
See, mine is a little bit like that. Just a little.
Yeah. uh, 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 you see this is the trick I'm using. There you go.
Done. Now I need one more window.
Perfect. Oh, you're doing fast. I need to catch up with you.
I've got speed. Hey, hey.
Yo.
I'm all done. Now I need to make the lines. I'm almost done.
Very, very good.
3D stuff. Done. Now I have to make these bottom line. This bottom line.
Here we go. Basically, we are making glass windows here. And in order to give some shine or just give a idea or give a feeling that this is a glass, we'll just make two lines like this. Gives a little indication that, okay, this is a glass which is shining
From the
like
sunlight.
this. Yes, like this. Or you can make something.
Done.
Okay, so basically this is our house, and it will look much more amazing if you have got two color paper. So this is a different color and this is a different color. So what will happen, even if I want, I can color this to make it separate color, and this will be a separate color. Would you like to color it? Or it's okay.
Wait. This is an additional part that I'm doing.
Oh, you're making a door.
Yes.
Oh, that
Our
is
double-sided door.
that's an amazing thing to do. I like the idea.
You want to make with me? Now there's a door.
Interesting.
Yay.
Interesting. So this house can be used
Now
in
wait,
order
now
to
I can draw anything inside.
yeah, if you want, but this is what we're gonna stick it to your project or anything, whatever you're doing. So basically,
And a ringtone then.
okay, that's a good thing. That's a doorbell. Interesting. Love it. Okay, so shall we?
Color?
No, I think this is enough.
Okay.
Okay. So our viewers already got the idea. If they wanted to color, they can have a different color, or if it is a different color paper, you can do that way also. Or I've got another idea. Shall we quickly show them double color paper? Okay, I'll give you an example. Can I use your paper, please?
Can I finish?
Yes.
See what I'm drawing. Up two windows here.
Okay.
Done.
Can
Now
I use your
you can
paper,
borrow.
please?
You can borrow.
I can borrow? Okay. What I'm giving you an idea how we can do it. Say I'll open everything here. Okay. And I'll open everything here. Alright. So I'll put, say suppose this is a double color paper. Just imagine. One side this, one side this.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna fold it back.
See, it looks nice.
So it looks nice. This is the idea that you will get if you get a double color paper. Or you can use two
Yes.
papers back to back.
Yes.
So this will be the
I
result.
But we had a double-sided color paper.
It's okay. So I took one yours, one mine, and it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. Hope you like the video.
Yup.
And you want to make that first?
What?
You want to make that first?
Or my idea was like, I'll take your pen and trace over everything.
Okay. So we'll
Okay.
close off the video and we'll make something different next time.
Yup. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
And please, I want to borrow this. I love this.
Okay,
I
you
love
can
the
go
audio.
to. It's okay.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love my house. I love my house. I love my house. Bye, 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 bye,
Okay,
bye, 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 bye.
bye.